Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
What's your name? Who's your daddy? Rich like me. Does he take us?
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Time of the Season by the Zombies on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. Now we can play this song one of two ways. We can start the song with just notes like this. In other words, we can play what the bassist is playing, or we can play chords. I'll show you both ways. For the intro, we'll play this. To play that, we're starting at fret 7 on the low E string, going to fret 5 on the A string, to fret 7 on the A string. And that's our intro. We'll continue to play that and for the verses, and it'll sound like this. We'll play that twice.
Love runs high in this time. Give it to me easy and let me try with pleasure hands.
For the verse, we'll start at fret 7, go to fret 5 on the A string, and then to fret 3 twice, and then hit it again, fret 5 and fret 7 again. Here's the entire thing. And that'll get us through the verse. Now if we want to use chords for the verses, we'll simply play E minor 9 and C, like that. Our E minor 9 chord is formed this way. We're holding down the A string at fret 7, the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 7, and the B string at fret 7. Basically trying to play those chords in between there. But if we hit an E, we're still okay, because the E's are going to agree with that chord. And if we hit the E strings, it's okay, because we're playing an E chord anyway. But we're aiming for those strings right there, like that. Then we're going to go to C, and it's a bar C holding down fret 3 on the A string and barring fret 5 as far as the D string down is concerned, like that. So we're going to play.
It's the time of the season. Love runs high in this time. Give it to me easy and let me try with pleasure hands.
Then we'll move to the pre-chorus, playing a G and an E minor. For our G chord, we'll play this form. I'm holding down fret 3 as far as the B and high E are concerned, fret 4 on the G string and fret 5 on the D string, strumming that from the D string. I'm playing it this way: G, E minor, G, E minor. And notice that I play the high part of the E minor chord, strumming from the A string down. Next we'll move to the chorus chords, which will sound like this. For that, we play G, D, C add 9, G/B, A minor, E. Pretty conventional chords. So a G form, like that, or basic D, C add 9, and a G/B formed this way. Just take a G chord and take that finger out. Take the middle finger out and you've got G/B strumming from the A string. Conventional A minor and an E. Now for the organ solo, we'll play the pre-chorus a little bit differently. We'll go to our G, E minor, G, E minor, C, G/B, A minor, and E. We'll play it this way: 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how I play Time of the Season on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Get me out of here, Percy.